How to create a Claude AI account, step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the official Claude website by entering Claude AI in the address bar. On the home page, click Continue with Google, or enter your email address and select Continue with Email. If you use your email, check your inbox for the verification message from Claude. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Next, agree to Claude's Terms and Acceptable Use policy. Then click Create Account. You may also be asked to enter your birthday for account verification. After that, you'll see Claude's available plans. Select Use Claude for free to continue with the free plan. You may also see options for the desktop app and privacy settings, including whether your chats and coding sessions can be used to improve Claude. Choose your preferences and click Continue. Next, enter your name, select a few topics you're interested in, and complete the setup. Once you're finished, you'll arrive at the Claude AI interface, where you can start chatting with Claude and using its AI features. And that's it. You've successfully created your Claude AI account. If this tutorial helped you, click like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and share this video with others.